Technology is helping new parents take better care of their little ones.
Here's CNET senior editor Vanessa Hand Orellana.
Keeping your baby safe just got a lot easier thanks to your phone and these high-tech baby devices. The Owlet is a cute baby booty that keeps worried parents from obsessively checking in on their baby. It's a monitor that tracks baby's heart and oxygen levels when he sleeps. The Owlet connects to a base that lets parents know how their baby's doing. Green indicates great, but if the baby is in danger, it will immediately turn red and sound an alarm. Checking for a fever has never been so simple. The Pacify may look like your average binky, but it does more than just calm your baby, for about $40. Download the app on your phone to see a real-time read of his temperature. The Snoo is a $1,200 bassinet that's loaded with tech to help babies sleep better. It has a sound machine, rocking motors, and microphones to detect when your baby's crying. If your baby needs soothing, it intensifies the rocking motion and changes the sound. The Snoo won't even turn on unless the baby is safely swaddled and clipped in. In San Francisco, I'm Vanessa Hand Orellana with CNET for CBS 2 News.